Home is a special place for me. I live with my mom and dad, my sisters, my little brother, and our dog. Each day in our home is filled with warmth and love, making it a sanctuary from the outside world. In my bedroom, there's a window that lets in the sun, filling the room with light and cheer. It's my personal sanctuary where I can relax, read, and dream. I love waking up to the morning sun streaming through my window, making everything feel bright and new. My room is a space where I can be myself, surrounded by my favorite things and the comforting familiarity of home. Our living room is a cozy space where we gather as a family. We have a TV where we watch movies and shows together, sharing laughter and creating memories. It's a place where we connect, play games, and enjoy each other's company. The living room is the heart of our home's social life, where everyone comes together after a long day to relax and bond. The kitchen is the heart of our home. The fridge is always stocked with food, ready for family meals and snacks. It's where my mom prepares delicious meals, and we all come together to eat and talk about our day. The kitchen is filled with the comforting aroma of home-cooked food, making it a place of nourishment and togetherness. Whether it's baking cookies with my sisters or helping my mom prepare dinner, the kitchen is where we create lasting memories. Living with my family makes our home a place of love, comfort, and happiness. It's where we support each other, share our joys and sorrows, and grow together. My home is not just a house, it's where my heart is, filled with the people I love most. Every corner of our home holds a story, a laugh, a moment that adds to the rich tapestry of our lives. Moral of the story: the true value of a home lies not in its physical structure, but in the love, support, and togetherness of the family that resides within it. A home is a sanctuary where we find comfort, create memories, and experience the essence of life. Respect and cherish the bonds with your family, for they are what make a house a home.